Alright you guys, so now let's get started with the tutorial. It's really easy. It's just going to take us like a couple of minutes to set this all up. But basically, first we're going to have to go ahead and download this NBA++ app on our iOS and Android device, and then it's going to give us a free NBA League Pass account. And then we can actually go ahead and use that account on like any other device as well. Like let's say you want to watch the playoffs on your smart TV or like your Xbox or computer even. You're going to be able to do that. But first you will have to go ahead and set it up on your mobile device, so an iOS or Android device. And then from there, we'll be able to go ahead and set it up on any other device. But anyways, guys, the app we're going to be installing is called NBA++. And basically what this is like a tweaked version of the NBA app. And with it, we're able to go ahead and get the full NBA League Pass premium version for completely free, guys. As you can see, it says $0 a season. And yeah, you get access to all teams, no commercials, watch live games from around the league, commercial free. And yeah, you're going to be able to watch every single game in the playoffs. And any of them too, and this is gonna last all the way until the playoffs end. And then once the new season starts up for like 2022 or like the end of 2021, you'll be able to keep using your NBA League Pass accounts. Like it never runs out. So yes, guys, once you set this up once, you're gonna be good to go. So anyways, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you all how to download this app so you can get your NBA League Pass accounts for free, guys. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that we have to go to do is just make sure that our device is like prepared for the install and is going to be like compatible with the app download. So to do this is pretty simple. All you guys are going to want to do is open up the settings app on your iOS device. Also, if you're on Android, we also have to change some settings on the Android devices. But first, I'll go ahead and do it on iOS. So what you guys are going to want to do is scroll down until you find the option that says battery. And then in battery, you guys are going to want to look for the low power mode. And you're just going to simply go to make sure that you have this turned off. So as you guys can see, I do have it turned off right now. So that's perfect. Then once you guys have done that, you're going to want to look for the setting that says general. And in general, we're going to go ahead and look for where it says background app refresh. And you're just going to want to make sure that you guys have this turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. So as you all can see, I do have it on, and that's going to be perfect. And the last thing we have to go ahead and do on iOS, guys, is you're going to want to come to the About in the top of general settings and just make sure that your software version on your iOS device is above iOS 10. So as you can see, I'm on iOS 14.3, which means I'm prepared to download the app. Now, if you are below iOS 10, you will have to come to the software update and just go ahead and upgrade your iOS device really quick. But once you've done that, you're going to be good to go. Now, if you guys are on an Android device, we also have to go ahead and change some settings really quick on the Android devices. So go ahead and open up the settings app on your Android device, and you're going to want to look for where it says battery. So go ahead and open up the battery settings, and you're going to want to look for like the setting that says battery saver. And you're just simply going to want to make sure that you guys have this setting turned off. So as you guys can see, we do have it off and we're good to go on that. And yeah, that is the only setting that we have to change on Android. So yeah, if you can't find it, look for like the low power mode or like the battery saver option. And if you can't find it at all on your Android device, you could just skip this step instead of worrying about it. But anyways, guys, now that we've made those changes on the iOS and Android devices, our devices are now prepared and ready to download the NBA++ app so we can get the NBA League Pass for free. So how do we download this app now? Well, it is a tweaked app, which means you cannot get it from like the App Store or the Google Play Store. And the only way we can download the app is from this website. And basically this is like a tweaked app store. It's fully web-based and free to use. So once you guys are on the site, come to the search bar and go ahead and type in. We're going to go ahead and type in the name of the app, which is NBA. And there it is right there, guys. NBA++. Watch NBA live games for free. So we're just going to go ahead and type it in again, NBA++. So yeah, guys, we're going to go ahead and tap on NBA++, watch NBA live games for free. And then we're going to go ahead and say, it's going to say injection required. We're going to tap start. And now we just got to go ahead and wait like about 5 to 15 seconds for this to load. And then it will fully load up and take us to the final part of the download of the app. Just make sure you guys do keep on watching until the end of the video. There is one last step that we have to go to complete that is very important in order to like finalize the download of the app. So now it's going to load up and say missing files. Additional files are required for NBA++. We're going to go ahead and tap go. And then it's going to say how to install. Carefully read instructions of each additional file to unpack them. So we're going to see a bunch of apps here on this list, guys. And what we have to go ahead and do is complete every single one of these apps. And once you do all of them, then the full NBA++ app will be installed and we'll be able to watch our playoff games for free. So to get started, go ahead and read one of the apps or like read the instructions of the apps, and then it's going to go ahead and tell you like what to do. So this app is saying download and install this app. They're running for 30 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our first offer. And then after we've completed every single app, guys, we'll be pretty much done. and the full NBA++ app will be installed, and now we'll be able to go ahead and watch all the NBA games for free. So yeah, just go ahead and do all of them, and you shouldn't have any issues. Now, I don't want to make this video like very long, so I'm not going to do all of them, but you guys will have to do all of them, and that's going to be pretty much it for the tutorial. So if you guys have any questions, do let me know down below, and enjoy your NBA playoffs, guys, and peace out.